So just that 1 over left. It's going to be Tanzeem Hassan who will be defending 12 runs in that last over. What a turnaround it has been. It has been in the penultimate over. Tanzeem Hassan has been expensive. 43 runs at an economy of 14. So this is getting interesting. A mini conference out there in the middle between the...
আসসালামু আলাইকুম ভাই, যে সকল ভাইরা বেট অ্যাকাউন্ট করতে চান দেখেন কমেন্ট বক্সে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ লিংক আছে, সরাসরি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে মেসেজ করুন। অ্যাকাউন্ট করে ফার্স্ট ডিপোজিটে পাবেন 10% বোনাস এবং লেনদেন সার্ভিস পাবেন সর্বোচ্চ 5 মিনিটের মধ্যে ক্লিয়ার। বিকাশ, নগদ, রকেটের মাধ্যমে লেনদেন করতে পারবেন। প্রবাসী ভাইরা বেট অ্যাকাউন্ট নিয়ে বাজি খেলতে পারবেন। বেট অ্যাকাউন্ট করতে চাইলে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে যোগাযোগ করুন।
Now the deep third has come inside the circle, so he's at short third now. The long off, long on the boundary ropes for Dhruv Parashar. They're okay to give him a single. A full toss, and he's got hold of that one. That is one of the most important sixes of Dhruv Parashar's career. What a hit!
Oh my days, what a hit! Tanzeem blinked first. And look at the expressions of the Bangla faithful. High full toss. Bang! Up and over cow corner. Dhruv Parashar, you played the biggest shot of your young life. 4 needed a 4.
Well, it's gone on the roof. And it's pin drop silence in the stands. You've got some UAE supporters, and they will be very hopeful. 4 of 4.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম ভাই, যে সকল ভাইরা বেট অ্যাকাউন্ট করতে চান দেখেন কমেন্ট বক্সে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ লিংক আছে, সরাসরি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে মেসেজ করুন। অ্যাকাউন্ট করে ফার্স্ট ডিপোজিটে পাবেন 10% বোনাস এবং লেনদেন সার্ভিস পাবেন সর্বোচ্চ 5 মিনিটের মধ্যে ক্লিয়ার। বিকাশ, নগদ, রকেটের মাধ্যমে লেনদেন করতে পারবেন। প্রবাসী ভাইরা বেট অ্যাকাউন্ট নিয়ে বাজি খেলতে পারবেন। বেট অ্যাকাউন্ট করতে চাইলে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে যোগাযোগ করুন।
Slower delivery, that is outstanding. Dhruv played all over, and the game turns the tide in favor of Bangladesh.
What a delivery to bowl under pressure. That is courage for you. Is it a fair delivery? Yes, it is. The back of the hander on length. And Dhruv missed it. You miss. I hit. The drama continues.
Well, you can see Haidar's reaction says it all. It was not needed. Dhruv Parashar walks back after scoring 11 of 7. Bangladesh back in the game. 202 for 8. Well, it's going to be Matiullah. 4 needed of 3 deliveries. He's come out to bat in the UAE colours for the very first time. The mid-off is inside the 30-yard circle. Pushes it for a quick single. They will get that quick single and will bring Haidar back on strike. They need 3 now of 2 deliveries. Prayers all around in that UAE camp.
Well, Asif Khan is almost beside himself. I can feel you, mate. Our hearts are thudding in our chests as well. 3 needed of 2. Wow, what a game. What does Haidar Ali do here? Mohammad Wasim is acting coach at the moment.
Well, everyone's got to say something to Haidar. And you don't want to be Haidar in this situation. 13 of 4 he's done. He's exceeded his expectations and his team's expectations as well. But there's a change in the field now. The deep fine leg has come inside the 30-yard circle. The mid-on falls back to long on. Oh, that's a wide delivery. Yes, no situation. Throw at the non-striking end. And it's been called a no ball. Well, the drama continues. 1 more run added to the total. So they need 2 of 2 now, Ahmed, and it's a free hit.
Well, this is the golden opportunity UAE was searching for. Yorker gone wrong. But we have to check the run out at the non-striker's end as well. The nerves are frayed. It was a fair delivery there, but the height of the ball was well above waist height of Haidar Ali. Bangladesh may have just lost this game here on this delivery.
Yeah, just a bit too much of effort. They're going to have a look at the run-out opportunity. Matiullah with the dive, and that dive has saved him. So great game awareness from Matiullah. He's ensured that he gets back into the crease in time.
The green light confirms it. It's a free hit, 2 needed of 2. 173 is the highest chase UAE has ever done in T20 internationals. We're on the verge of history.
Up and over. They're looking for the second. Will they come back? No, they won't. Yes, no, yes, no. Have they made it in time? I'm not sure. UAE are on their feet, but we'll have to wait for the umpire's confirmation.
Why did they wait for the second? It was in that hole between deep point and deep cover. There was always 2. Sliced. Decent connection. They should have set off immediately. Tawheed Hridoy. He even double faked the throw. But the victory will be with UAE.
Well, what a moment this is for the UAE cricket fans, for the UAE cricket team. They've beaten Bangladesh in the T20 international game for the very first time.